Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a Locket Widget app if it's not working properly. So first thing you want to try, is clearing the app cache. Sometimes, temporary files can mess things up. Just find the Locket Widget app on your phone, press and hold the icon, then tap the little info or I button. Scroll down, tap on clear data and select clear cache. Finally, hit OK. All right, next, you can also force stop the app. On that same info page, just tap force stop and confirm. Then relaunch the Locket Widget app and check if it's working again. If it's still acting up, the issue might be a bug. So open up the Google Play Store, search for Locket Widget, and see if there's an update button. If you see one, just tap update. Developers often fix known bugs in the latest version, so updating usually helps. Once you've updated, go ahead and open the app again and check if everything's running smoothly now. And that's pretty much it. If this helped you out, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes like this.